dumber than you are making millions, and their secret is not luck. It is possible for everyone, and that includes you and me. So in this video, we will discuss how to grow your money exponentially, the psychology of money, rich and poor mindset, and also break down some myths about money. You see all these rich people who seem to be no smarter than you. So what do they do differently than average people? Let's find out by knowing the rich and poor mindset. Rich people believe in the abundance of opportunities, resources, and possibilities. They view the world as a place of plenty and believe that there are multiple ways to achieve success, while poor people believe in scarcity, the idea that resources are limited, opportunities are rare, and success is elusive. Those with rich mindset often prioritize investing in themselves, whether through education, skill development, or personal growth, and strive for continuous improvement, while individuals with poor mindset may focus more on reducing expenses rather than increasing income. Their primary goal is to survive rather than thrive. A rich mindset is often associated with a willingness to take calculated risks. This can manifest in entrepreneurial ventures, investments in stock market. Some examples are J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter was rejected by numerous publishers, and Walt Disney faced bankruptcy multiple times. Yet they persevered and went on to achieve extraordinary success. A poor mindset is often associated with the fear of failure. This fear can hinder individuals from taking risks, pursuing opportunities that could lead to financial growth. Individuals with rich mindset are generally more inclined to delay immediate gratification for long-term goals. They are willing to make short-term sacrifices for greater rewards in the future. Those with a poor mindset may prioritize immediate pleasure and gratification. Some examples are impulsive spending and inability to save for future. When faced with challenges, those with a rich mindset tend to focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. They see obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of taking responsibility for their financial outcomes, individuals with poor mindset blame external factors such as economy or their upbringing for their financial challenges. It is important to recognize that these mindsets are not fixed. Individuals can shift from poor mindset to rich mindset through self-awareness, education, and intentional changes in behavior. Developing a rich mindset involves embracing opportunities for growth and adopting habits that contribute to long-term financial success. One habit that contributes to long-term success is compounding. Compounding is how you grow your money exponentially. Albert Einstein said, "Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world." Compounding can turn small, consistent efforts into substantial wealth. Just take a look at these graphs, the magic of compounding. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. So start investing early and let time do its magic. The magic of compounding lies in its exponential growth, emphasizing the significance of time in wealth accumulation. The longer an investment is allowed to compound, the more impactful it becomes. It rewards those who adopt a patient, long-term perspective and consistently reinvest their earnings. Whether in savings account, bonds, or stock market, it underscores the importance of early and regular investments, demonstrating that even small amounts can grow into exponential amounts over time. But it won't be enough without understanding the psychology of money. Understanding the psychology behind our financial decisions is the key to achieving lasting success. It's not just about numbers and strategies, it's about recognizing the emotions and behavioral patterns that shape how we interact with money. It's not about being the smartest in the room, it's about passion, perseverance, and the willingness to take risks. And remember, success doesn't always follow a conventional path. Did you know that there is an emotional side of money? In the book Psychology of Money, Housel highlights the role of emotions in our financial decisions and how understanding them can lead to better financial decisions. Whether it is fear, greed, or overconfidence, emotions can significantly influence our financial behavior. Recognizing these emotions is the first step towards making rational decisions. And the second step is to eliminate some myths about money. So here are some myths about money. High income means financial well-being. A high income doesn't necessarily guarantee financial stability. It's not just about how much money you earn, but how you manage and save your money. Poor financial habits such as overspending or accumulating debt can impact someone's financial well-being regardless of their income level. Nearly one-third of all lottery winners eventually go bankrupt within 3 to 5 years. They suddenly get rich, and because they don't have the financial wisdom, they get broke. Investing is only for the wealthy. Many people believe that investing is only for those with substantial wealth. In reality, anyone can start investing even with small amounts of money. Thanks to the accessibility of investment platforms and tools, individuals can begin building wealth through strategic and disciplined investment regardless of their income level. The stock market is too risky. While the stock market involves risk, avoiding it entirely may mean missing out on potential returns. Diversifying investments and having a long-term perspective can help mitigate risk. It is essential to understand that short-term market fluctuations are a natural part of investing. Credit cards are always bad. Credit cards are not bad. It's how individuals use them that matters. When used responsibly, credit cards can offer benefits like cashback, rewards. However, mismanagement such as carrying a high balance or making only minimum payments can lead to financial troubles. All debt is bad. Not all debt is created equal. If you use debt to buy assets, it can be a smart decision. But if you use debt to buy liabilities, then it is a dumb decision. It is essential to distinguish between good and bad debt and manage them accordingly. Some people say data is the new currency, some say oil, but the real currency of the digital world is attention. Look at all the rich YouTubers. The more attention they grab, the more money they make, and it applies to all professions and people. The longer you can keep someone's attention, the more money you will make. If a product has no attention, nobody will buy it. But if you can grab people's attention on that product, it will make money. And remember, the more attention you grab, the more money you will make. Companies invest substantial efforts and resources in capturing and maintaining attention. In a world where information overload is the norm, those who can effectively capture and hold attention can influence opinions, build relationships, and drive meaningful engagement and earn a lot of money. But money without freedom is useless. True freedom is freedom in choice. You can choose whatever you want without looking at the price tag. Time freedom. You can work anytime you want. Location freedom. You can work from anywhere you want. You don't need to be at a specific place to work. And the most important, the freedom to be with your loved ones. Watching your children grow older, celebrating small and big moments with your loved ones. So the one thing you can start now is reading. And if you don't know what to read, then this is a list for you.